Today we are going to learn about the substance in our daily use which contains water of crystallization. Water of crystallization means the crystalline structure of that particular substance is due to the presence of water. If water is lost from that substance, then it will become in non-crystalline form. That means in amorphous form. So very common thing is alum. We have already seen the practical where the alum was kept on tawa and it was heated, it started melting, and thereafter you will feel that it is started melted and the water gets evaporated and you will left that what is left there is the powder of alum. Right? If you will touch it, it becomes in a powder form. So that is alum. Then you have the borax, which is Na2B4O7.10H2O. You can just, these are all the photos. I cannot show you practically now, so I'm showing with the help of the photos. Okay, so here is the Epsom salt, then this is the barium chloride, this is sodium sulfate, which is also called as the gobbler salt. Now this is all the substance. Most of them you have seen that they are whitish in color. Only the copper sulfate normally we see which is blue in color. Otherwise everything is in white color. Right? We are using alum for the purification of water. See the muddy water is there. If you add alum it, all that soil particles will settle down. Okay, all that solid impurity will settle down and you will get fresh, or you can say the soil free water. Now here is the test tube containing the blood samples, right? You can see it. This is just to show you that blue vitriol which we have already seen, copper sulfate. The other name is blue vitriol. So that copper sulfate is used for the blood test for diagnosis whether the person is having anemia or not. That is the iron is less or more. Okay. So for diagnostic anemia, copper sulfate is used. Then the Bordeaux mixture is used as a fungicide on the fruits like grapes, muskmelon, etc. Okay, the slake lime is used along with the blue vitriol also. So these are all the uses of some of the crystalline, sorry, substance which is having the water of crystallization. Okay, now we'll go towards a new salt which is soap. Yes, children, even soap is also a salt. It is a salt of fatty acid. Here, I think in 8th standard you had one practical of making soap, means in one chapter how to make soap was explained. You are going to take the coconut oil and then you are going to add, right, sodium hydroxide, etc. So when either oil or animal fat is boiled with the aqueous solution of either the sodium hydroxide or the potassium hydroxide. If you take sodium hydroxide, you will get the sodium salt of fatty acid. And if you take the potassium, then you will get the potassium salt of fatty acid. So that is formed. And then if you allow it to cool it, then it will get solidified and you will get soap. Now, children, soaps mainly are of two category. You have the bathing soap and you have the washing soap. What is the difference between the two? First of all, remember one thing. So bathing soap is we are applying on our skin. So when we are applying anything on our skin, it has to be near to the neutral. pH value should be near to the neutral, isn't it? Means it should not be harmful. It should not contain any acidic things in it. Hmm? It should not have any adverse effect on our skin. Hmm? You must have noticed that bathing soap is much costlier than the washing soap. Have you observed it? Suppose you are taking the Rin bar, which is used for washing clothes, and suppose you are taking normal, you can say the Lux, the bathing soap. There is a price difference, 100 grams वो लो, 100 grams का वो लो. There is a price difference, children, between the both. Yes, but how, why it is? Children, when you are using the bathing soap, they are using high grade fats or oil as a raw material. For making the soap, they are taking oil or high grade fats. Whereas in for washing soap, low grade fat, that is the animal fats of low grade is used. So that is the important thing. Another thing, children, bathing soap has a good fragrance ना, नहाने के बाद में बाहर निकल तो मस्त सुगंध आता है, isn't it? So it has got a nice fragrance. So that all the chemicals which has having the property of fragrance, the esters have normally the fragrance part. So that is added to the bathing soap. Whereas in washing soap it is not used. Then bathing soaps are available in various colors, Liril, and then the pink for the rose, and the lemon yellow color, and aloe vera green color, what not. So various colors are used there. Whereas in the washing soap, these all things are not there, right? So these are some of the difference. You can have many more differences that you can add. Okay, so you have to write down the difference between the two bathing soap and washing soap. Clear? Now let us go towards the radioactive substance. Radioactive substance are uranium, thorium, radium, etc. Now these elements has high atomic numbers such means more than 90 years. Okay, so they are having my. So imagine a person who is more than 90 kg, fat one. Children, when you walk and a person of 100 kg walks, there is a difference, right? वो गोल मटोल सा चलता रहता है, ऐसा लगता है अभी गिरेगा अभी गिरेगा अभी गिरेगा, cannot walk fast. If he asked to walk fast, there is tendency that that person might fall. Am I right? All those heavy nuclei penetrates to various substances with a very high energy radiation, and all those radiations are spontaneous and invisible. We are knowing Nagasaki and Hiroshima for the effect of the, you can say, the effect of the radiation which was the still they are those people are having when the nuclear bomb was thrown on them during the first world war, still yet the effect is observed. Yes, children. So don't just think it that this radioactive substance are bad, it is used for nuclear bomb only. It is not like that, children. A special what is the property of these elements, and they have the property of emission of invisible, highly penetrating radiations. And so this property is called as the radioactivity and the substance is called as radioactivity. Now what happens is the nuclear of this radioactive element is unstable. ऐसा लगता है अभी गिर जाएगा अभी गिर जाएगा अभी गिर जाएगा. A fat person is just moving and then you are scared whether you might fall, you might fall. So like that, the nucleus of radioactive element is unstable and the radiation occurs from this unstable nucleus. Okay, so all these radioactive substances are good also. They actually give us three types of radiation: alpha, beta, and gamma. Now, French scientist Henri Becquerel was studying about the pitchblende compound of uranium. So while studying it, he had just kept one some unused photographic plates in the cardboard box in the drawer. Okay, in the drawer they had kept one photographic plates and a key was lying on the box. Can you see the image here? Yes, that is of that key only. So he happened to leave the uranium compounds on it. Now the scientists they are doing some experiments, so the substance remains with them. आज आया फिर then they go home after doing the research work or something, whatever they do the experiments and all, then they go home. The substance are kept there only. अभी यहाँ पे और कोई आना भले यहाँ पे ही पड़ा है. Like that they think of, and they just he has kept that uranium lying on the box, okay, and just left it. And after few days, what he did, he just washed those photographic plates were there, na, that plates. So he seen something cloudy, and it was showing the shape. When the scientist observed that Arey, this key was there, which I kept. So how come the image is formed? So he thought of that the some types of radiation must have come from those uranium compound, and those rays may be like x-rays which can penetrate through the substance. And so what he did, he has given the name as Becquerel rays. So he found that the uranium is giving out some radiation, and so the image of the key is got on a photographic plate, right? So this was an, and children, at the same few days later na, Madam Curie was there now, husband and wife dono the scientists, that one. So Madam Curie also found out similar type of property in thorium also. So with them, you know, what is the specialty of thorium, uranium and all? They all are having high atomic number, means they are heavy, they are having heavy nuclei. So they concluded this property as the radioactive radioactivity. Okay.